Welcome to Pamuka Wealth Empire, where we explore the latest trends in cryptocurrency, investing, and making money online. Today, we're diving into the booming world of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, the new digital gold rush that's taking the world by storm. Whether you're an artist, collector, or investor, understanding NFTs can open up incredible opportunities. In this video, we'll cover everything from creating your first NFT to buying and selling them for a profit. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are NFTs? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, the same technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, each NFT is one of a kind and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Think of them as digital certificates of authenticity for anything from art to music, virtual real estate, and beyond. Creating your own NFT might sound intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose your content. Decide what you want to turn into an NFT. This could be digital art, music, a video, or even a tweet. Ensure you own the rights to the content. Next, select a blockchain. Ethereum is the most popular blockchain for NFTs, but others like Binance Smart Chain and Flow are also options. Your choice will determine where your NFT is stored and traded. Then, set up a digital wallet. You'll need a digital wallet to create and manage NFTs. MetaMask is a popular choice. Fund your wallet with cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, ETH. After that, choose an NFT marketplace. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable are great for beginners. Connect your wallet to the platform. Now mint your NFT, upload your content, fill in the details like name, description, and royalties, and click Mint. Your NFT is now live on the blockchain. Finally, set your price. You can list your NFT for a fixed price, set up an auction, or even accept bids. Make sure to consider transaction fees, known as gas fees, when pricing your NFT. Now that you know how to create an NFT, let's talk about how to buy one. Here's what you need to do. First, explore NFT marketplaces. Browse platforms like OpenSea, Foundation, or NBA Top Shot. These sites host a wide range of NFTs from art to virtual real estate. Next, research the NFT. Look into the creator, the rarity of the item, and its past sales history. High-quality NFTs often come from reputable artists or brands. Then set up your digital wallet. If you haven't already, you'll need a digital wallet like MetaMask. Ensure it's funded with enough cryptocurrency to cover the purchase and transaction fees. Finally, make the purchase. Once you've found an NFT you want, click Buy and confirm the transaction in your wallet. The NFT will be transferred to your wallet, and you'll officially own a piece of digital history. Ready to cash in on your NFT? Selling is straightforward. First, choose the NFT to sell. Go to your digital wallet and select the NFT you want to list for sale. Next, set a sales method. Decide whether to sell at a fixed price, set up an auction, or accept offers. Each method has its own strategy. Auctions can attract higher bids, but fixed prices give you control. Then, list your NFT. Enter the details, set your price, and click List for Sale. Your NFT is now on the market. After that, promote your NFT. Share your listing on social media, NFT communities, and forums to attract potential buyers. Finally, manage your sales. Once your NFT sells, you'll receive payment in cryptocurrency. Remember, the marketplace will take a small fee, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to help you succeed in the NFT market. First, stay informed. The NFT space is constantly evolving. Follow trends, join NFT communities, and keep up with market news. Next, invest in quality. Focus on NFTs from reputable creators or projects with strong communities. Quality often outlasts trends. Then, diversify. Just like any investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across different types of NFTs: art, music, collectibles, etc. Also, be patient. The NFT market can be volatile. Hold on to valuable NFTs for long-term gains, or flip them quickly if you see an opportunity. Lastly, watch out for scams. Only buy and sell on reputable platforms, and double-check the authenticity of any NFT before making a purchase. And there you have it, a complete guide to navigating the exciting world of NFTs. From creating and buying to selling and profiting, the NFT market is still in its early stages, so there's a lot of potential for growth. Whether you're an artist looking to monetize your work, or an investor seeking the next big thing, NFTs offer endless opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more insights on making money online and growing your wealth. Thanks for watching and happy NFT trading.